My name is Jesada Puripun, number 11.
My name is Sanashya Panyarat, number 41.
My name is Thasila Sikanya, number 36.
My name is Pisada Jalangwal, number 34.
Today we will present about the history of atmospheric science.
Let's go.
Democritus predicted changes in the weather, and that he used this ability to convince people that he could predict other future events. Hippocrates writes a treatise called Airs, Waters and Places, the earliest known work to include a discussion of weather. More generally, he wrote about common diseases that occur in particular locations, seasons, winds, and air. The Greek philosopher Aristotle writes Meteorology, a work which represents the sum of knowledge of the time about the Earth's science, including weather and climate. It is the first known work that attempts to treat a broad range of meteorological topics. Al-Dinavari, a Kurdish naturalist, wrote the Kitab al-Nabat, applying meteorology to agriculture during the Muslim agricultural revolution. Galileo Galilei constructs a thermoscope. Not only did his device measure temperature, but it represented a paradigm shift. Blaise Pascal discovered that atmospheric pressure decreases with height and deduces that there is a vacuum above the atmosphere. Norwegian cyclone model, introduced for the first time in meteorological literature, marks a revolution in the way the atmosphere is conceived and immediately starts leading to improved forecasts. Léon Tisserand's The Board. He is a French meteorologist who discovered the stratosphere, thus paving the way for further study of the upper atmosphere. Asman contributed significantly to the exploration of the free atmosphere and to observational techniques in meteorology between 1880 and 1910. He conducted human scientific ascents with balloons for about 10 years and became one of the discoverers of the stratosphere in 1902.
Part 2 Daily Weather Forecast and Checking the Weather when Planning a Trip. Acute Weather. Weather forecast is the prediction of absorption of wind waves and natural phenomena that will occur in the period ahead. The weather forecast can be divided according to duration of the forecast as follows. 1. Current weather forecast. Forecast for less than 2 hours. 2. Very short length forecast between 3-12 hours. 3. Short length forecast. Forecast between 12-72 hours. 4. Medium term weather forecast. Forecast between 3-10 days. 5. Long length forecast. Forecast from 10 days or more.
In 1959, meteorological satellites have provided an overview of the atmosphere cloud pattern, serving among other things as an early warning and detection system for hurricane, typhoon, and tropical cyclone. Infrared sensors mounted on meteorological satellites now provide observation of the vertical temperature structure of the atmosphere.
Part 4. We are trying to save the world from the enormous proportion of storm caused by more function of steadily protecting the weather, protecting in planet from being hit by the Earth. The most exciting and innovative future technology enhancement for PWS is in the radar remote sensing arena. Next generation radar system, dual polarization radar, pass array radar provide the opportunity to improve server weather direction, rainfall estimate, and winter weather warning, and increase delete time for server weather hazards including tornado and having rain flood event.
Thank you for watching and listening.
Thank you